This is Dr. Wayne Harsher from Carolina Pines ENT, and today we're going to talk about proper use of nasal steroid spray. That's your Flonase, Nasacort, Nasonex, Rhinocort, and that whole class of medications. There's two main things that you need to remember. First of all, the nose is not this way. It's actually straight back. And the side of the nose is what contains all the important stuff in terms of breathing. The other is the bottle doesn't work well sideways. So if you hold it that way, you don't get the full dose. So the best way to use this medication is to hold it straight up and down and look over like this. In other words, put your nose to your toes. Whatever nostril you're in, you then want to tilt it out towards your ear just a little bit, 2 puffs, and a gentle breath in. You don't want to snort it in. If you do, it's going to get in the back of your throat, probably irritate your throat, and most of them taste terrible. If you use this technique, you're going to avoid nosebleeds, and you're also going to get better resolution of your symptoms when using your steroid nasal spray.